Hello, thanks for joining me, Derek Phelps with Top Talent Search Advisors, and I'm coming to you today about an exciting opportunity that we have in manufacturing. If you are a manufacturing supervisor and have at least 5 years of experience, let me tell you what we're looking for. Someone that knows how to lead a team, knows how to put safety first, knows how to mentor and train and develop people in the organization. You know, a lot of times when we're looking for a position, we want to go to work with a company that has some opportunity for growth. This definitely does. The company loves to hire from within the organization. Here's an opportunity for you to get a foot in the door at a company that is a state-of-the-art facility here in the Metroplex. If you're looking for a great base pay, bonus opportunities for leading and leadership of the team, good benefits with the corporation, reach out to us. Send me your resume. Our email number is down below. Derek at Top Talent Search Advisors, looking for really top talent in manufacturing, someone that knows how to lead, someone that's a supervisor. If that's you, reach out to us. Let's see if this is the right fit for your next home. Thank you.